I'm rolling. See you guys.
Later, Randy.
Let's go. Wait. Sit down.
Sit down, Kyle.
Sit.
Is this here?
Huh?
Is this here? These keys?
Randy?
Is that Randy's key?
Kayla.
Go
Give that to
hurry.
Randy. Hurry up.
You can go that way. Go that way.
Straight from Mars.
Is this my car? Is it?
What?
Is this my car?
We're gonna go get a car. I don't own a Volkswagen.
What the hell? Is this my? Not your key? It was in the seat.
Did you find it?
Probably belongs to somebody else.
Finders
Who was
keepers.
sitting there first? I don't know.
Let's see. Let's check it out. See if it works.
Oh, you're gonna get in trouble.
No, it unlocked it, didn't it?
You're gonna get in trouble.
Come on. Come on.
Who's
Kayla.
got this?
Give it to Randy. He's a criminal.
They're gotta be right in there.
They're gonna watch you. Go ahead, take a quick peek. Hurry.
Hold this.
Hurry, take a quick peek.
Check it out. This is what we looked at yesterday, one of these. Come here. Hurry up.
I'm gonna send this video in the cops for when they get Randy.
Dude. Oh, shit. Check it out. Check it out. Let me hold this. Check it out.
Whose car is this?
Not mine.
Is it someone in there? Is it mine?
Not mine.
It's yours. Are you serious? Yes. Are you serious?
No, it belongs to somebody in Starbucks.
Randy, go. Kayla's trying to steal a car.
Hurry! Is it, whose car is it? I don't know. Let's go. Whose car is it? I don't know. Somebody's coming out. Whose car is it?
I know. You can find the owner. Look at the registration. It's probably in the glove box.
I wouldn't be digging in there.
I would. Here, hold this.
The car's already running. Kayla's fingerprints are on the car. You might as well check it out.
Whose car is it?
Unlock this door. Let me look.
Hey guys. Alright, what is it? Oh, it's his car. Whose car is it?
I'll tell you in a minute. Keep a watch out.
Somebody's coming up. Kayla's not gonna go get her.
Randy's gonna get arrested
We'll
before
find out
his
who she-
interview.
No, I'm just finding out who she is.
Well, why don't you just go in and say, whose key is this?
Well, why not just read the name? The hell? Phone number on there. His name is Maxwell. Holy shit.
Is that my car?
That's your car.
Are you freaking serious?
Yes, I'm freaking serious.
You're joking, right?
Yeah, they're joking. Get out, here come the cops. Yeah.
Thank you!
Oh, Daddy gets the first love.
Hey,
You
Randy.
guys chill! Wipe it off!
I don't know what you do this. Mickey got excited.
Oh my gosh!
Randy found all this for you.
Yeah, I know.
She already gave me
And-
love. She already gave me love.
And he put the flowers in
Your
there.
daddy picked out the colors.
Look at the bug.
Your mom
What
helped
is
me
that?
glue
Look
the
at the
ladybug on her.
It's a bug.
Did you like buy it or did you
Randy
like?
put that all
made
together
them?
for you.
You made them? You're so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh my god.
Look up.
Pull that panel back. See that dial up front here?
Yeah.
Twist it all the way to your other way.
Oh my god.
And you put that dial in certain spots and it only opens up so far. You go all the way back the other way and it lifts this way.
I'm so excited. Might as well scream
Look.
now.
Scream!
Scream as loud as you can.
Sunglasses.
Oh.
Oh, she's gonna drive without her glasses now.
Uh-oh. We're in trouble now. It's gonna rain.
Oh
Close
my
your
gosh.
sunroof. Close your roof. And then it
Are you
opens,
serious?
Kayla. It opens the other way too, like this. Turn it the opposite direction.
Turn it this way, then it just
Well-
tilts it up.
It just tilts up. See?
But it does it little degrees.
Are you serious? Scream and get it out.
Don't put it in drive.
Don't put it in drive. Like, you better move.
All right, see you later.
Found the light bulb.
Two or things, you found that right away. Did we save that music?
There might be one in the back.
I took them all out. There were 6 of them in the CD changer.
I love you guys.
Kayla got her bug.
All right, see you at home, Caleb.
You riding with her? Or am I?